7 Common Mistakes in Watering Houseplants. Hello to all plant lovers. If you're passionate about taking care of houseplants but have noticed that some of your plants aren't thriving as they should, the problem might be in your watering technique. Today, we're going to explore 7 common mistakes most people make when watering their houseplants. If you want your plants to stay healthy and vibrant, stay with me until the end of this video. Why is proper watering important for houseplants? Water is essential for all living organisms, and plants are no exception. It plays several crucial roles in plants, including nutrient transport. Water carries nutrients from the soil to all parts of the plant. Temperature regulation. Water helps with evaporation from the leaves, which cools the plant in hot weather. Cell structure maintenance. Water keeps plant cells turgid, which is vital for maintaining the plant's structure. However, the amount of water each plant needs depends on various factors such as the type of plant, pot size, environmental conditions, and the season. Overwatering or underwatering your plants can lead to a range of problems, potentially harming their health. Seven common mistakes in watering houseplants. Let's take a closer look at 7 of the most common mistakes people make when watering their houseplants. 1. Overwatering. This is the most common mistake people make with houseplants. Overwatering can lead to root rot, fungal infections, and other diseases. Symptoms of overwatering include yellowing leaves, wilting or drooping, and waterlogged soil. Two. Lack of proper drainage. Pots without proper drainage holes trap water in the soil, causing root rot. Make sure your pots have sufficient drainage holes at the bottom and use well-draining soil to avoid water accumulation. Three. Ignoring each plant's specific watering needs. Every plant has its own watering requirements. For example, cacti and succulents need infrequent watering, while tropical plants require regular watering. Research your plant's water needs before purchasing it. Four. Watering at the wrong time. The best time to water houseplants is early in the morning or in the evening when the weather is cooler. Avoid watering during the heat of the day, as the water will evaporate quickly and may not be absorbed by the roots. Five. Using cold water. Avoid watering plants with cold water. Always use lukewarm or room temperature water to prevent shocking the roots. 6. Not checking soil moisture. The best way to know when to water your plants is by checking the soil moisture. Insert your finger 1 to 2 centimeters into the soil. If it feels dry, it's time to water. Seven. Ignoring signs of water stress. Plants under water stress show various signs, such as wilting, drooping, or yellowing leaves. Pay attention to these signs and water your plants promptly. Additional tips for properly watering houseplants. Use appropriately sized pots. Very large pots can cause water to collect in the soil, leading to root rot. Use well-draining soil. Soil mixes for houseplants typically have good drainage. Avoid watering the leaves. Watering the leaves can lead to fungal diseases. Reduce watering in winter. Most plants need less water in winter. Feed your plants. Regular fertilizing helps your plants grow and stay healthy. Is filtered water better than tap water? Why? Determining whether filtered water is better than tap water depends on various factors, and generally, there isn't a definitive answer to this question. By following these simple tips, you can take better care of your plants and enjoy their beauty and vibrancy. If you have any experiences or tips about watering plants, be sure to share them with us in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming plant care videos. Don't forget to like and comment. Seedling until the next video, may your home stay green and your hearts happy.